Good afternoon, ma'am. Again.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am, again.
Again, good afternoon. Again, good afternoon.
What we will do today?
Wait, let everyone join, then I'll tell what we'll do.
And ma'am, when the offline classes will start?
What?
Ma'am, when the offline classes will start?
Beta, that
8
can't
January.
be said. That can't be said right now.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, now there are 6 students.
Yes, now there are 6 students. Now today again, we are going to do the same thing like you used to do in the class. For 0 period, first we are going to do 2 difficult words. Okay? You have your dictionaries with you?
Ma'am, I have to find it.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to show something.
So,
Ma'am, see on this flower, that is my name.
very nice. Very good. Go get your dictionaries. Hurry up.
Get our dictionaries.
So, ma'am, this is my dictionary.
Oh my God. You are surely going to get all words in this. It is so thick.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's my
big.
mother's dictionary when she was studying in college.
All right.
Ma'am, I have dictionary.
The 2 words for today are open a copy, take out your rough copy or your diary.
Yes, ma'am, we have to do it, diary.
But I have selected words for you. We'll do it in diary when you will come to school.
Ma'am, please tell the word.
The first word is preference. 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 First, write it down on a piece of paper. Then find. I'll tell you both the words. Write them down on a piece of paper. Preference, and the second word is accomplish. First word is preference, and the second word is accomplish. Okay, both the words are there in the chat box. You have to find the meaning of both the words. Then you have to make sentences on both the words. One sentence each.
Ma'am, where are the ma'am, please can you say that again?
Beta, the words are in the chat box on Zoom. Look up into the chat box.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
So, ma'am, which are 2 words?
Beta, the words are in the dictionary.
No, ma'am, on which page number?
They are not in the diary. I told you I'm giving you words on my own. When you will come to school, then we'll do it from the diary. Till the time you are at home, I'll give you the words which are used in day-to-day life. I have written the words.
Ma'am, we have to write it in rough.
Yes, you have to write it in rough.
Ma'am, I got it.
Very good. Very good. Don't speak. Find the meaning of both the words and then try to frame a sentence.
What could be? Ma'am, I have searched the meaning of accomplished and I got and I have made the sentence also.
Okay, beta. Very good.
Ma'am, in my dictionary there is not
Which word is
the word. Ma'am, accomplish.
accomplished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Other students will tell you the meaning. Where are Zoya, Atharv, and Yash Mahajan? Yashraj Mahajan. Open your
What
camera.
meaning?
And there are three meaning of preference.
You found the meaning of preference?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is it? Who will tell the meaning of preference? Atharv Singh and Zoya, are you there in the class? If you are there, beta, you have to put your camera on. Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from the class. Hurry up and put on your camera. Switch on your camera, I mean.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning of accomplish?
Yes, tell Pratyaksh.
The meaning of accomplish is to succeed in doing something difficult that you plan to do. And ma'am, I have made the sentence, and that sentence is I accomplish to write 10 letters every day.
Very nice, very nice, very good. Okay, Shirsh, have you found the meaning of accomplished?
Ma'am, I am close to find meaning of preference, but is preference.
Okay, who has found the meaning of accomplish?
Okay, ma'am, I'm finding. I think I will find it.
Yes, everyone will find the meaning and tell me and let me know. I want to hear it from all of you. Zoya, what is the meaning of accomplish?
I'm finding.
And I got preference.
What did you get? Preference.
And
Yes. What is the meaning of preference? Tell.
yes, ma'am, it's correct. Ma'am, a greater liking for one uh, alternative over another or other.
Okay. So what is
I
the meaning
think
of it?
Ma'am,
What is
I
the
found
meaning?
accomplished.
Ma'am,
Beta, it's okay. Pratyaksh, keep it down. But what did you understand when you read the meaning of this word? What did you understand by it? Tell me.
ma'am, it's saying that a greater like thing.
Explain me in Hindi.
Ma'am, I find accomplished. Ma'am, I also find accomplished.
Okay, till then,
Nine.
Pratyaksh, you think what it means in Hindi. Okay? And then tell us. Yes, Shirsh, what is the meaning of accomplished?
Succeed in doing something, especially after trying very hard.
Okay, succeed in doing something. So that is to get any result, to attain a successful result of anything.
So I will write what is written in the dictionary.
Yes. Accomplish is to get something after succeeding. I accomplished my goals. Say, for example, I want to make a sentence. So how will I use this word? I will say, I accomplished my goals.
Ma'am, I also find accomplished.
Yes, Zoya, tell what is the meaning?
Succeed in doing or achieving highly skilled.
Succeed in doing highly skilled.
Succeed in doing or achieving highly skilled.
High skill. Okay.
Ma'am, after this, what we will do?
I will tell you what we will do. Wait, first do this. Write the meaning of both these two words in your copy and make a sentence of each one of it. One sentence. I'll ask you what sentence you have made of your words. Think of a sentence, and if you can't make, I will tell you.
Ma'am, I got it.
What is
Ma'am,
it?
I got the meaning in Hindi.
Yes, tell what is it?
एक चॉइस के लिए
Hmm.
दूसरे या दूसरों पर अधिक पसंद करना.
Yes. Suppose I give you 2 chocolates, Dairy Milk and 5-star. So what will you say? Ma'am, I prefer this one. Or ma'am, my preference is eating a Dairy Milk over a 5-star. है ना, मुझे ज्यादा पसंद क्या है? Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I have find the meaning of accomplished in my dictionary.
Very good. Very nice. But Rishabh, from next time, you will not speak in between. While I am speaking, you have to wait for me to finish. Okay? So Pratyaksh, I was saying, what is preference? Preference is choosing one thing over another. That is preference. My preference is to take to study maths instead of Hindi. My preference is to go out to play in a park than to playing indoor. This is what your preference. We use the word preference like this. Her preference is to wear a white dress. Yes, now say Rishabh, what is the meaning of accomplish? What you have found?
Ma'am, in this ma'am, in this my dictionary, it is written in Hindi.
What is?
Ma'am, पूरा करना.
Yes.
Ma'am, पूरा करना.
Very good. It is also to finish, to complete something, to complete a task. So I
Yes, ma'am.
accomplished.
Ma'am,
how do you
my
put it in a
homework.
sentence? No, not I accomplished my homework. No, this won't be correct.
I accomplished to do one page writing every day.
Bring out a better sentence, not this one. Yes, think of something.
Ma'am, I accomplished my goals.
Yes, I accomplished my goals. मतलब मैंने अपने goals को पूरा कर लिया. मैंने अपने goals को पूरा कर लिया. बेटा, when we talk about some small piece of work, we say I finished my work. Yes, and something big, when you achieve something big, you attain something big, you say accomplished. Like goal, suppose you keep a goal, so you have a longer period of time, right? You set a particular period. Yes, in a week's time, I have to finish this work. And when you do it, you say, I accomplished my goal. But if suppose I give you to find the meaning of a word, you will not say, ma'am, I accomplished my work. No, this is not accomplishment. This is finishing. This is doing. Is that correct? So difference between doing something and accomplishing something is different. So you accomplish something that has been set for a particular period of time. It could be a day's time, it could be a week's time, or anything. But something that you just do instantly, we don't say accomplish for that thing. Okay? So what kind of a sentence you'll make for accomplished? Set your goals and accomplish them. Okay, this is a better sentence. We all should strive to set goals and accomplish them. हमें अपने goals बनाने चाहिए और उनको पूरा करना चाहिए. Okay, got it? Now write down the sentence for both the words, for preference also and for accomplish also. Then we'll move ahead to the next thing.
Ma'am, see, I have put a rubber on my dictionary.
You have put what on your dictionary?
Ma'am, a rubber.
Rubber, okay.
मैम बट नो मैम बट कोई रबर मेरी डिक्शनरी को फिट ही नहीं होगी.
No, we get big size rubber bands also.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we'll have to buy a full size rubber band for your dictionary.
Ma'am, it's helpful for shooting.
Shooting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, like this.
And
Ma'am,
like we
just-
fit it like this. And then we take out from one side so it will be thrown.
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I make a gun with my hand.
Acha children.
Ma'am, I just
beta.
do it like this and die.
Very nice, very good. But now what you have to do? What you have to do now? Tell me. Have you written the meaning?
Appreciation.
Have you written the meaning of both the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you made the sentence of both the words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what do you see on the screen?
Appreciation.
Appreciation.
Wait. Words in word game.
Appreciation.
Okay, the name of the game that we are going to play is words in a word. Okay, now you have to find out as many words as you can in the word appreciation. Words in a word. Now using these alphabets, you can find so many words from this big word. Isn't it? Like for example, one example is rat. Yes? Is that fine? The other example is 10. So you have to find as many words as you can. But there is one thing that you have to follow. One thing that you have to do is you do not have to make 3-letter words. You will start from 4-letter words. Like instead of rat, we can make rate. Isn't it? Instead of
Ma'am, and rice also.
10, instead of 10, what we can make? Instead of 10, let's say we can make
Not
word
3.
neat. No, how can we make 3? We don't have
There is no H.
There is no H. Okay, so I have done 2 for you. There are a few rules.
Ma'am,
Beta, wait, just wait. You cannot repeat any alphabet for more than how many times it is given. Like for example, P is given 2 times. So you can also use P in a word 2 times. T is given just once. You can also use it just once. Okay, you will not use it 2 times. A is
I
given.
was saying,
Yes.
ma'am, which bell was that?
Which?
Ma'am, which bell was just rang?
I'm in the school, beta. Today I could not take your morning class because my internet at home was not working. So I missed.
ma'am.
Yes.
So,
It is
ma'am, that
last-
was the 0 period class?
No, yeah, that is for the last period. But the online timings and offline timings are different. So it went differently. Now just let me know how many words you can find. Hurry up, quickly. You can speak these words. Don't write it on a piece of paper. You can just speak as any word comes to your mind. Just quickly speak it out. I'm going to write it here. Okay?
Ma'am, rice.
Yes, what is the word?
Ma'am, rice.
Rice. What is the spelling of rice? Tell me.
Ma'am, RICE.
Very nice. Very good. What has happened? Okay. I'll write it here. The word is rice. Very good. Next word, who will tell? Let me.
Ma'am, can I begin?
Yes, yes, tell. Hurry up. Don't waste time. Let's make as many words as we can.
Ma'am, great.
Spelling.
CRE.
CRE. Yes.
ATE.
ATECR.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Ma'am?
Create. Very nice. Yes.
ma'am, Ciation.
Ciation. Spell it.
Ma'am, CIATEION.
What is the meaning of ciation, beta?
I heard it, but I don't know the meaning.
No, this is no word. Creation is no word. Then I can find so many words, children. How can you be quiet? Go on speaking. Rishabh, Yashraj, Atharv Singh, beta, are you there in class? If you are there,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
reaction.
very nice, very nice. Reaction, very good word. Next,
Ma'am, creation.
creation, very good, very nice. Next,
Ma'am, app.
huh?
Ma'am, app.
Spell it. A
double P.
app. But we are not supposed to make 3-letter words, na? This was one rule. 3-letter words nahi banane. At least they
Okay,
should
ma'am.
be minimum 4 letters. Next. Next word.
React.
React. Very good. React. Then action cannot be made. No one is saying action. While you have said creation, reaction, action. Next. Think.
Ma'am, No, ma'am.
I can make a bird's name from here. Think of a bird's name. No.
Ma'am, sparrow.
No. It can't be. No, it can't be made. It can't be made.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can make a person in a school who
My
helps
student.
out, who rings the bell.
Teacher.
No, teacher can't be made.
Ma'am, peon. Ma'am, peon.
Yes, peon. More words, hurry up. Okay, what do children do on sports day? What is done?
Ma'am, play.
Ma'am, race.
Race.
Ma'am, race.
Very good. Play, beta, play is done, but there is no Y over here. Then next word, hurry up. What is the next word?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Appreciate.
Very good. Appreciate. A-P-P-R-E. No, we can't make appreciate. Why? Because we will require one more E. So where are we going to get it from? Appreciate.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, it can be care.
Care. Very good. Very good. Next. After care.
Ma'am, appreciate.
Appreciate can't be made, beta. Next. In maths, you have studied in chapter
Ma'am,
money.
rain.
In chapter
Ma'am,
money,
rain.
what you have studied? Money comes in two
Ma'am,
forms. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
rupee.
rain also can be formed.
Which can be formed?
Ma'am, rain.
Brain.
No, ma'am, rain. R-A-I-N.
Rain. Yes, very good. Rain can be formed.
Rupee.
No, not rupees. Rupees comes in two forms. What are those two different forms?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, coin.
Ma'am,
Very
rupee
good.
and rupee.
No. Coin
Ma'am,
and
coin.
note. Yes. Coin and note. Then think from this last word note, what can be made? Can any word be formed from the word note?
Ma'am, tone. Ma'am, tone.
Tone. Very good. Next. Think from, now you can find from the small words. Can any word be formed from the word peon? Yes, any word from the word peon? Now you will say, oh ma'am.
Ma'am, please.
Pin.
See what I have written after peon. What I have written.
Open and pin.
Peen. What is peen? What is peen?
Ma'am, I don't know that, but I have listened that.
No, peen is nothing. Then next
Ma'am,
word.
please wait.
Yes. Okay. What is the
Charcoal.
rhyme of race? Rhyme of race can be formed.
Ma'am, case. Ma'am, case.
No. For case, we need to have S here. Race and pace. Have you not heard of the word pace?
No, ma'am.
Pace. Okay. Then next word. Okay. Sorry. Next idea. Think of more words. You have
Ma'am, ape. Ma'am, ape.
ape is a word, but it is a 3-letter word, right?
Ma'am, tear.
Tear. Very good. T-E-A-R. I do. T-E-A-R. Then next.
Ma'am, we don't have double T.
We have only one T. Okay, what do you wear in winters when you come to school?
Ma'am, blazer.
What is a blazer called? Another name for blazer.
Ma'am, coat.
Ma'am,
Coat.
Don't shout. You're getting so excited. Next. Okay. What is issued to you if you are in
Ma'am, nope. Ma'am, nope.
Nope. Yes, nope is a word. Okay. You do this in creative writing also. There is a topic.
Nope.
What is that? When you have to leave a message for something, what is it called?
Ma'am, letter. Ma'am, letter.
Not letter. We can't frame this word letter. What is
format.
issue? No, not format. What is issued? A dash has been.
Ma'am, line.
No, a dash has been written on the board. A notice.
Paragraph.
Notice has been written. When you're
Oh,
instructed for something, it is called a notice. Yes. Okay. What do you do in drawing? What do you do when this thing happens in your home, in your house? The house starts looking new. What is it?
Ma'am,
Painting.
renovation.
Paint. Then after that,
Ma'am, neat.
neat we have already made. See, third word, neat has already been made.
Ma'am, treat. Ma'am, treat.
Treat, T-R-E-A-T. Very good. Treat is a very good word. Nice.
No, ma'am, but we don't have double T. Ma'am, we don't have double T.
Oh, we don't have T. Yes. Then we have okay. TR. When you are caught in something, what do we say? The word starts from TR.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
trap.
trapped. Ma'am, trapped.
Yes.
Trap.
Trap. Very good. Next.
And
Trap.
Okay. Mangoes are.
ma'am, yellow.
No, not yellow.
Ma'am, orange.
No. It is not a color. It is like we like dash mangoes.
Ma'am, sweet.
No, not sweet. Yes, a synonym of sweet.
Ma'am, sour.
No,
Star.
no, not sour.
Ma'am, bitter. Ma'am, bitter.
R-I-P-E, ripe. Ripe mangoes.
And what is ripe?
Beta, you have not heard this word ripe. Ripe means
ma'am.
pakawa. Ripe is pakawa and raw means kacha. So ripe and raw are antonyms of.
Ma'am, rope. Ma'am, rope.
Very good. Very good. Rope. Next. Next word.
Ma'am, hope.
Hope, beta,
Ma'am,
H is
Tor.
not
Ma'am,
there.
Tor.
Tore, yes, Tore. Sometimes when you don't want to come to school, you make an excuse to your mother that I have this in my stomach. What is it?
Ma'am, H. H.
Age?
Ma'am, pain.
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 No, ma'am, we call it stomach ache. I was thinking it's ache.
Yes, and you were saying ache, but ache can't be found. Oh, can't be formed. Then next word. Why am I giving you so many hints? Why can't you find it on your own?
Map.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
dash situation. It is a
Ma'am,
dash. Map M is not there. It is a dash
I am saying-
situation. What?
Ma'am, I am saying nap.
Nap. Yes, nap is there, but it is a 3-letter word. We can't find 3-letter words. It is a dash situation. Panic situation. Panic. Have you heard of the word panic? Have you heard of the word panic? Don't panic, children. Sit down quietly. What happened when monkey came in our class? So you all started panicking, isn't it? You remember the day when a monkey entered through the window?
Ma'am, chillana.
Yes, panic is like creating so much,
Noise.
yes, noise and commotion, confusion. That is a panic situation. Okay, then next.
Ma'am, it can be association.
No, beta, there is no S. Association needs so many S. Create. We have made a word create, but we can't make create because for that we need 2 E's. So I am erasing
Yes,
this
ma'am.
word create. Instead, we can
Ma'am,
make
you can-
Creta. Creta is a car.
Ma'am, Creta, car.
Then, okay, a fruit name. Hurry up.
Ma'am, apple.
Pear.
Peach.
Pear. Pear. Why peach? Why apple? We can't make apple and peach. Pear can be made. Then,
Ma'am,
pear.
create.
Create can't be made, beta. Create, I have erased just now. So I think
Ma'am.
that is all, or you can find more.
Ma'am, this is all. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
so many.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 28. Ma'am, 28 words we have found.
One more word, Russian. Russian is a word. One more word, caption. CAPTION, caption. It can be found now.
Ma'am, captain.
And captain. No, captain. Yes, captain also can be formed. Very good. Captain. Train. Train can also be formed. Yes.